What's going guys, it's Jay The Unbreakable here, and I'll be continuing the video last week today, and let's have it. And I finally found it guys. I also did separate the videos because this really should be in a separate video because it's a different type of brand phone, smartphone. And guys, did you know that Huawei has some secrets and they don't want other people to know? And that is this one. This is phased out already, by the way. There might be some secondhand or someone selling this for, yeah, they're trying to remove it already from the market because Huawei is going to make their Mate 20, and I'm the first one to guess that they will be making because they're, you know, selling all of it, the Mate 10. And I think the new specs and features about the Mate 20 is maybe the new Mate 20 would have the notch also, because you know the notch is worldwide, and because of that the body will get smaller, I think, and have a really wide camera lens in their phone and monochrome lens, yeah. And I wish Huawei don't remove the headphone jack because it's really important to me, because I just have one wireless headphone and that is it, that one. And I have many wired headphones, but I didn't want to show you guys in this vlog because it's another thing for another time. And what else? I think they would improve the RAM for the high end to make it 8 gig RAM and 254 ROM, gig ROM, and yeah, I think this is it guys. I'll see you guys. Don't forget to, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like this video, and if you're not yet subscribed, please slap the subscribe button and press the bell icon to be to be notified if I upload another video like this one. And not this one, but I'll be uploading next week guys. Peace out, and this is the end of the vlog.